As you all learned, my name is Alexander Stoilov. I'm currently studying in Kobe University, a master degree, and also working at Yumebutai Spa Center. Today, I'll be talking about one of our last experiments, which involved investigation of water structures in tea made with Yumebutai Spa waters. For this experiment, we used Yame tea, which is a very high quality tea situated in Yame region on Kyushu Island. And we decided to observe how this kind of tea changes its structure and functions depending on the water content. And we mixed them with water from Yumebutai. For this experiment, we used the NIRS gun, which has a measuring range of from 590 nanometers to 1090 nanometers with almost 2 nanometer step, taking the spectra 3 consecutive times. And we took the spectra of Konono tapped water, which is the tapped water in the region of Hashimoto where Yumebutai Spa is. We also took gold water and Tsukino Shizuku waters, which are Yumebutai Spa waters. The tea which we used were Yame tea leaves, Yame yellow tea leaves, which has most stems, and Yame green tea leaves. On the top, Yes. That's here. I apologize, there was a mixing with the presentations. And making the tea, we take 4 grams of leaves, mix them in 156 milliliters of water, which was heated up to 42 degrees. And then we stirred slowly for 1 minute the whole concoction while it cools down to 40 degrees, and then we measured the tea. We also measured the waters themselves for control. As you can see down here, those are the cuvettes which we used, and I don't think you can see very well, but the gold water tea has the most thick color, while the most transparent color is the tea made with tapped water, which means that it extracted the tea leaves essence the least. From the aquagrams, on the top left corner, we have the gold water and Tsukino Shizuku waters compared with Mirikyu. This is in the first overtone, while on the 2 bottom aquagrams, we have the data from the NIRS gun. On the left side, we have the 3 waters. Blue one is tapped water, yellow is gold water, and Tsukino Shizuku is red. On the right side, we have the teas, respectively, with those waters. What we can observe from this information is that, very interesting, that tapped water tea has the most dimers, but lacks working water, while gold water tea has the most stable structuring and functions, while Tsukino Shizuku tea is most strongly hydrogen bonded. When we compare the waters with their corresponding teas, we can see that tapped water tea, which is in green, all teas are in green and the waters are in blue. Tapped water changes the most, while gold water and Tsukino Shizuku are more balanced. When we mixed other teas using Yame green and Yame yellow teas, we found very similar patterns in the waters, nevertheless that they're different teas. in Goldwater and in Tsukinoshizuku water. And from both, Yame Green shows the better qualities. It grabs most bigger range from all the structures and functions. And you're welcome to try the Yame tea mixed with Goldwater and Tsukinoshizuku on Yunosato booth after the presentations. And for conclusion, the same teas combined with different waters changes the structures and functionality of the tea, while Goldwater has the most balanced functions and Tsukinoshizuku has most stable structuring. Thank you very much.